And the trick with the pounce is just to put a little smidge on your table where you'll be working, but not so much that it dries out your fondant. Hi, I'm Natalie Madison of Art is in Cakes, where we give you the tools and the knowledge to build your passion for baking. And today we're going to show you how to. This is what we need to knead nice and smooth. Does anybody here work with bread? You know how you work the gluten into the process to create long stretch? We are doing something similar, but we're using something called CMC or Tylose, and it's basically the gums in fondant that we need to re-elasticize to give strength to our fondant. And everybody has different kneading patterns. A master pattern is actually building kind of a conch. There's something called wedging your clay. And basically what you do is you create these really thin layers and you round it. And as you're rounding it, it creates these super fine layers right here. Can you see how it's starting to create that layer? And it pushes the air bubble out of the layers and they pop up here on the surface. So you can get a bubble-free, super smooth surface as well. It takes forever, so I'm willing to pop my bubbles with a little needle.